Instruction at hexadecimal 0000 referenced memory indicates Roblox is having trouble accessing specific memory locations. This can be caused by various factors on your computer. Here are some advanced solutions you can try, along with steps. 1. System File Checker, SFC, scan. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to open command prompt as administrator. In the command prompt, type SFC, scan now and press Enter. This will scan your system files for corruption and attempt to repair them. Restart your computer after the scan is complete. 2. Memory Diagnostic tool. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Memory Diagnostic. Select Restart now and check for problems. Recommended. Your computer will restart and automatically run a memory check. This process may take some time. If any memory errors are detected, you may need to replace your RAM. 3. Clean boot. A clean boot helps identify if any conflicting background programs are causing the issue. Search for System Configuration in the Start menu. In the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, and then click Disable all. Go to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. In Task Manager, disable all startup programs. Restart your computer and try running Roblox again. If the error doesn't occur, re-enable programs one by one to identify the culprit. 4. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can sometimes lead to memory-related issues. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, e.g., NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Install the downloaded drivers according to the manufacturer's instructions. 5. Reinstall Roblox. In some cases, a corrupted Roblox installation might be causing the problem. Completely uninstall Roblox from your control panel. Download the latest Roblox installer from the official website, linked to www.roblox.com, and reinstall the game. Additional tips. Close unnecessary background applications. Free up system resources by closing any programs you're not actively using before launching Roblox. Check for malware. Run a malware scan using your antivirus software to rule out any potential malware interference. Reduce Roblox graphics settings. Lowering graphics settings within Roblox can put less strain on your system memory. If none of these solutions work, consider searching online forums or contacting Roblox support for further assistance. They might have additional troubleshooting steps specific to Roblox or your system configuration.